Are you stuck in the rat race? Tired of the 9-to-5 grind? You think starting a $1 million business requires a massive loan or a genius invention? Think again. What if I told you that the next billion-dollar idea is sitting right in your kitchen? It's fresh produce, and today I'm giving you the zero investment roadmap to turn a simple fresh vegetable delivery service into a market-dominating company. Get ready to build a fortune starting from absolute zero. Phase 1 is the zero-risk test. Forget apps and websites. Your investment is time and hustle. Step 1. Identify your niche. Target one small area, your apartment complex, or a single neighborhood. Step 2. Source locally. Partner with a local mandi or a trusted farmer. You don't buy inventory, you take pre-orders. You act as the middleman. Step 3. The order funnel. Use free tools, a simple WhatsApp group or a Google form. Take orders overnight. Step 4. Execute. Early morning, buy the exact quantity needed, ensure top-tier quality, and deliver it yourself on a bike or public transport. Your profit is the markup, and since you have no inventory waste, your profit margin is high. Focus on trust and word of mouth. You've proven the model works. Now, Phase 2, systemize and scale. With the profits from Phase 1, it's time for smart reinvestment. First, hire your first driver. Use the profit to hire one part-time driver to handle a larger area. Second, expand your catalog. Add high-demand grocery staples like milk, bread, and eggs. This increases the average order value, or AOV. Third, build a basic digital front. A simple e-commerce website is crucial. It automates ordering and payment, freeing up your time. Crucially, maintain quality. Your brand is built on fresh, reliable, high-quality delivery. Introduce a subscription model for weekly deliveries to guarantee recurring revenue. You are now moving from a side hustle to a real, profitable business. Phase 3, the enterprise leap. This is where you think big. Focus on logistics and tech. Use your capital to develop a sophisticated delivery management app and establish a central temperature-controlled distribution hub. Target B2B. Start supplying small restaurants, cafes, and corporate cafeterias. This secures large, stable contracts. Expand to new cities. Develop a scalable franchise or hub-and-spoke model. Your goal is no longer just delivering groceries, it's owning the local farm-to-table logistics chain. By controlling the quality from the source to the customer's door, you build a brand that can compete with the giants. You started with zero, and now you have the infrastructure of a market leader. This is not a dream, it's a blueprint. Every huge company started small. Your biggest roadblock is not money, it's starting. The market is waiting for better, fresher, more reliable service. Are you ready to stop waiting and start building your $1 million grocery empire today? If this roadmap sparked an idea, hit the like button, subscribe for more entrepreneurial secrets, and tell me in the comments, which city will you conquer first?